We have people out there with non-good intention or whichever. I am a woman, and the same way I do that to that little girl, or the same way could I do to me too.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So the boy will rape and kill Khanice. Yeah, me not call him the man, you know. The boy will rape and kill Khanice. Him girlfriend, or maybe me should say him ex-girlfriend, speak out. And she say, yo, hang them for hanging by him balls. Cause any man will do them thing they violate. That's what she has said. Now, all heap of people are troll her and thing, and I guess it get to her. So she do a whole life, you know, a reveal, say, yo, hang. She want them hanging by him balls, left him swinging like that. Just a swing pan it. See it? I may agree with her. We are going to listen to her. She have to say, I'm going to talk to me down below in the comment section. See it? Because me don't want this just die out, so you know. Me don't want him just go to prison and it just fade away, so you know. No. This supposed to be in everybody's memory every day. Remember what a boy they do to Khanice. See? Make we listen.
Same when every day I talk, he say he's a dirty man and I'm not going to take it back. When I talk about him to get life in a prison, rare. Anybody know me and wish to speak and hear me talk about this, I hang them for blood clot, hang him by him balls. Hang him to hang him by him balls. I not support no former rapist or no type of killer. Because once you cross the line with them type of things, they are done. You understand? When me meet him wasn't a person like that. Me meet him have my man, me in my relationship. Everybody I talk about him, baby mother. I'm living. Me not live with this man, people. I don't live with this man. This man is not my personal man, or whichever it is. It's not that way. Or it go, but instead of people asking, everybody just want to jump and say, alright, this, wagwan, or share this, whatever the case may be. You get me? I talk about pretty. Me not ugly. I'm a very pretty person too. He's a very nice person, but at the end of the day, we not talk about color. I will not talk about looks, because what, someone lost their life. But instead of we really sitting looking down and sit and think about it, no, we rather to jump and bash and, you know, this one woman, you know, because what she did there with the man, I never tell him to do whatever it is that him do. If I could have stopped it that day, I would have done that. But what, I couldn't do that. You understand? So how is it me to say I'm wicked and then never say me a cover up for him because I'm the first and old man for run joke like that? Listen to me, my name is a type of person. I'm very dramatic. Sometimes we say some things to me and more while I laugh at it. I say some man where that come from, but I don't know intention no way. Like they simply speaking, I say probably they might go kill themselves and then can't manage them type of life. That's when I go things you miss take it as a dramatic it or whichever. Whenever really I think about if I say this person really would have committed such an act or whichever. When him say to me, I take myself and I go to the yard, run at the yard, go look the yard gate up and everything. I did it probably about 5 minutes. I turn to my sister and say, come move, because I don't see him vehicle and I know him left me for go work this morning whatsoever. You understand? So I never really, but when I realize this, I get older and now and serious. I never just sit down with it because I could feel within myself, you know, something like this happen. And even when me kind of a little bit of intuition about it or kind of summarize something, I know, or probably like this will take place, you know, and then never slung and don't do it. Anybody who wish to speak or try to reach out to the family or the boyfriend that tell it just as the same. I've been talked to them already. I've been show my remorse. I've been said what I had to say. And them tell me thanks a million times. You understand? I not protect this dirty man and I will never forget prison and forget hang by blood clot balls. And me say it, I not take it back because I not support no rapist and no killer. But you see through all the video come out and just the same, if I was the one who was on over here on this side looking in and the video that we put up last time, I probably think the same thing too, but I always say don't judge a book by cover, not because here I probably say something. I remember this now, this is the media, and media twist your words and put it how they want it because what they want them highlight whatsoever. Now we're in the conversation speaking yesterday. Well, we was on the phone talking to them on the live. Did I ever try to protect this man or say anything? And through the most talking of it, I just diss him, so I must diss him some. You understand? So I never try to protect this money or pick up for this money because there's nothing in that nobody could have possibly picked up unless you are the same too. Unless you use the same type of person for you to be picking up with somebody who do such an act. them ask the type of person he was towards me, answer the type of person he was towards me. It has nothing to do with the fact that because I Ray and because of this. So me I beg people, please stop put it the way how they want put it, because that's not how it is. You get a message? That's not how it is. I'm wrong. I'm going to ever be wrong because the girl lose her life 20 years. She not even live no life. She don't know it. And I'm look point every so the same thing would I do to me too. Same thing you would have do to me too if it come to that part. It do the same thing, but what? God say and God know what was going to be the outcome of all this. So God makes sure same put on a side where him say it's a safe side, but yet still have a knowledge of what took place and can help towards whichever the case may be. You understand? If me that protect this man, would I aid him, would I support him in the day they run away or go country or go do whichever it is, you understand? But no, me not do nothing like that. Me just some comfort and try to get the authority to get on it as how them should. Anybody talk about the boyfriend make him get locked up with the rubbish, not talk about the boyfriend surmise that they were together. The boyfriend never have no proof. They must just say him because he used to bring her to work and probably bring her home. They want to surmise. They never have nothing concrete about it or sure. Nothing. And that is something the boyfriend can attest and speak it for himself. Is after speaking to him a little bit, after probably about 10 to 10 minutes speaking to him by a quaint yes, the suspect name went out online and all these type of things they say and rated whatsoever. It's a big old blood clot cross the man for me. When me know this man, me have my good man, me still have my man. It's just a big man, you know, say him love me and for certain say if him see me and them look vibes the 5 years and if it's not a 5 years with me and him in a relationship and living, because we not living. And to all the type of person is me no want nobody stay any type of way come on top of me, especially a older man a certain way. There's nothing wrong with him at the end of the day. Man, I gotta tell you, say like say Mascani man, Ray and Tay, and you get me? No. And just because he want a piece of picture with people, but them put out, but him look the way the people are gonna say him look like a rapist and he look like this, whatever, whatever. There are all lot of pictures there, but people look for the worst to put up. But as me say, me not debate or go down in pan that. At the end of the day, what I'm talking about is man not protect this man, man not defend this man. This man forgot prison 99 times. I'm say it already, I'm gonna say it again. Anybody who know me know say me is an independent blood clip girl. I'm independent hustle. Me not time I depend on me not dependent. Anybody who knows me can say that me not dependent. So not a boy I need to stop this. Oh please. I get work for what I want. Crazy? Crazy, me not sit down and depend on man because we all know how that go. You know it nice when you like you look a paycheck a week them or whichever one you look a year and you come here a year one because what are you work it? Nothing nice like that. You understand? When me meet him I have my man, he know what the situation was in the have somebody else too. Me end up and talk about 2 year, when it reach 2 year I go 3 year down at the relationship because me end up and had a miscarriage. And me never deal. Long after I come out of hospital and everything, but probably a year or a year after, me end up and get back in contact with him because through me and my mom never really approve that, but when me get in contact away out. Man him talking, me call me, you good Johnny, whatever way to say, whichever the case, me cool, whatever link me. Alright, if him pass come my say, no, see me come your side, we talk, whatsoever. That's it. It's since last year. I'm actually they were stronger last year. But in a June them time there. Me and this man start conversate back on a level. But it still wasn't a proper level for say me and him because we could never because me have my man. You get me? For the 5 years me don't make a name much time ago me I'm going probably about 8. Not about 8, I lie more without tell you. Probably about 12-14 times. There. And most of the time I go there, me there with him, I chat a little bit and I left. And I'm not sexual, nothing, and I'm not nothing like that. You get me, but the true people is not there. people can just say whatever they want to say because well, that's how people is. Instead of trying to find out the truth, them speculate, them assume, them bash somebody, them put them down whatsoever. I never terrorific nobody, just as in family. So then the need for your threatening Dave and then the need for your threatening pick my cousin. None of us had nothing to do what him do. If we had a say in it that day, if we could have stopped it, I know for a fact it would have stopped on Khanice that day here seeing me. It should have been here see me. We want no remorse. We want to see me drop and ground and I cry and I owe me and say, boy, this and that, whatever. Come on now, people. How much more can a person do? I can't do no more. I can't say no more. I can't whatever no more. You understand? At the end of the day, I am human just like anybody else. And me take it the way just like how people that see it on earth and come. Not even road more because when my people see me. Remember, I remark somebody said to me, say, hey, Robert. And I was like, my Robert. Never push out nobody. Never push out nobody big fuss for him to be my Robert. You understand? Those are the type of things we have to go by daily, but because of people and how people is. Me not in no form of support with this man or whatever. I say it already, I say it again. Them for hang him and them for hang him by him fucking balls. Here. Hang him by because if he, them find out upon this, they say pussy was here for a pussy you did want. You never get my own. So, you have to get. And that's why you probably do whatever it is that I do to the girl. So you see, people only know things, people only speculate at us just because them see a little white line. Alright, they must spread the line bigger. Like white out, and just a white out, I go cross, so just a rewrite and I carry on. And take your own words and put it somewhere else. Or put it else out. You get to me, I try to say. Everybody have a sensitive side sometimes where people don't like nobody load up on them, and that's what I meant when I said sensitive. So I'm not like people load up on him and them type of way. So it surprised me if you know say a man like that who always complain about me rough with him because he's a very rough person. You know, I never try that with pan out cold like me because I'm rough. The truth can he soft and probably nice and look innocent towards him, she not act a certain type of way. Maybe. But at the end of the day, not because he may see something out there and everybody around it and jump with you up onto and brag on this person and say big up to everybody who out there and who in the comment section where I talk and I say when them attack say nonsense because the girl has nothing to do with it and she not defend him XYZ rated. You get me, I'm upset, I'm ignorant with CVM because at the end of the day the video was out there, you cut out the video a certain way. When people see it now, people feel as if say I'm online with her, I support you and I upload whatever it is that I do. The video was not placed out there, right? I've been asked from last night, I text and asked him for the full video so I could put it for people to see. You get me? I don't want nobody to bash me because of this dirty man and him actions they know him take. If it's up to me, him not dead. If it's up to me, him probably string up. You hear me? I tell people that about jungle justice I same way some see because it was a family member of mine. It wouldn't go like that. But who are we? Who are we to judge? We're not God. We can be judge, jury, or executioner. That's not us. You get me? That's not our role. That's not what we come here for. But you have a whole lot of people like to take up that role in them hand and put it upon themselves to pass judgment around against people. Just because body bullshit, bleach, this and that, where them it is the people knows nothing. Nothing people knows, nothing. You get me? Nothing. To be honest, what I felt as if transpired the argument in the morning. Because seeing that the days them prior to that, me never know nothing good because I kind of think I done me do in films, the ways they make can do because a man him jealous and love watch. You know me have a man him always to make some little talk or some little problem. It's not really problem, some little talk. Pretending some things and it never really mesh with me, you get me? Never really sit well with me whatsoever. So me done the have plan leave him the 23rd or the 23rd of my birthday and the 24th. All of this happened. You understand? The 24th. When me see everybody right up Friday, whoa, that was quick when he get catch whatsoever. It was quick. It was really quick. You see, I wonder if I the right person, I wonder if this and that about boyfriend. Check again. No, boyfriend did nothing. Boyfriend put out there, boyfriend, them call him, tell him for this and if him have for bring him back in only some miles. But them had no concrete evidence where they were not sure about anything. You understand? Some of the like people to stop, bash and assume and feel as if say me I support this man in whatever it is that no because me I support him, I could never support it. And if I did my brother do it, him have to get trouble too. You have to get you about. You understand? Me a woman. She lose her life because of our carelessness. Because of this dirty man could keep him honest to himself. She lose her life. And if I could go back in time and rewind and go back to the day when all that happened, I would. If I could have done something, I would have done it, but I can't. Some just have to live the way oh me can live now. Because always this in the back of my head, so I'm sorry, I never push more effort when my God he had to go in the house and make things there. That is the only regrets I have towards it. You understand? Some want people to stop it as if say me uphold with this man or me with this man with whatever it is that he must say. If I got prison, I got prison 99 times. Then if you hang him and hang him by him balls. That could have been me. That's all I want to say. I not support the man, I just want people to stop saying I support him.
No, I feel like she say enough, you know. I feel like she has said it all. So me personally not have to add or take away nothing. I just have to leave it right here so and tell Uno, make me see in the comments down below what Uno have to say about this. Because I have to look out for it. Zine, watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what you wait upon? Hit the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what. Don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.